If you want to delete downloaded files on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer and then you can proceed to the Files app, which you should be able to find here in the app drawer. So this is the file manager where we can find all files that we have on our phone. And over here we have this downloads category. This is where we can find pretty much everything that we have downloaded so far on our phone. And if you want to remove something, you can just simply tap on these three dots right next to the file. And then here you have move to trash or move to bin option. So you can of course select that option and then confirm that you want to delete that file. And that's pretty much it. Of course, keep in mind that deleting a file over here sends it to trash instead of removing it permanently, which means that, for example, the storage space is still occupied by this file since it is still available in trash. So you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner in the main menu of the Files app. You can go to trash or bin, then you can select whatever you actually want to remove permanently, and then tap on the delete here at the bottom of the screen, and then confirm that you want to do that. Leave a like and subscribe.